you? I hope all of you are fine. Last class we had discussed about globe, a model of the earth. Okay, the last class we had started the which lesson? Second lesson. What is the lesson name? Globe, a model of the earth. In this class we will discuss about the continents and oceans. Okay. Our earth is like a model of the globe, a football shape. So globe is a model of the earth. Globe is shape, round shape. At the same time, our earth also actually spherical shape, like a ball shape. Okay, now in this globe shows us continents, oceans, land, and important countries' names. Most of the color shading, which color? Blue color. This blue color tells us the water bodies. Okay. The globe shows the continents, oceans, and important countries. Next one is the land. And most of the color shading, which color? Blue color. So this blue color tells us the water bodies. Most of the color, in the earth surface covered with the earth surface covered 71% is covered with oceans. Okay. So now in this class we will discuss about the continents and oceans. Open your textbook, page number 10. Oceans and continents. As you can see on the globe, most of the earth's surface consists of water in the form of oceans. If you are observed globe, most of the earth's surface covered with oceans. Which water? Oceans. So, if you go to a village by the sea in the coastal Andhra Pradesh, you will see the Bay of Bengal. If you go to a village in which state? Andhra Pradesh state. If you go to a village, just like this is a AP map. Okay. If you go to a village by the sea in the coastal area, this area is a coastal Andhra Pradesh, coastal area. Okay, now coastal area, if you go to a village by the sea in the coastal Andhra Pradesh, you will see the Bay of Bengal. Okay, now you will see the Bay of Bengal. Bay of located in this side. Located in east, south. Okay, now east and south, maybe east and south will have the located the which sea? Bay of Bengal. So this is a Bay of Bengal sea. Do you know what is the sea means? Sea is a smaller than oceans. Okay, you know that sea water, which type of water? Taste which taste? Salt water. Okay, now sea is a smaller than oceans. Next, salty water. Okay. Seas and oceans stretch for hundreds and thousands of kilometers, just endless water. Seas and oceans stretch the hundred and thousands kilometers. Okay, now hundred and thousands of kilometers and more water, total filled with water, more water. You can travel from one end to the other only with the help of ships, and it may take many days or even months. How can travel? Which type of transport you use in the seas and oceans? Help of the only ships. Which type of transport? Ships only. So in this traveling, seas traveling journey, sometimes 1 month, sometimes more days. Okay, are you understood? Seas and oceans are spread along kilometers, thousands of kilometers, just endless the water. And which type of transports we use seas and oceans? Only ships. Okay, now. So in this journey, in this traveling, sometimes 1 month or 2 months, sometimes more days. Okay, now. And same period, most of the people use which type of transports? Water transports only. Okay, now they earlier time more demand which type of transports? Water transports. One of the ocean is frozen into the ice. Find out its name. One ocean is there. Totally that ocean is covered with ice. Which ocean? Arctic Ocean. Okay, now which ocean? Totally covered with ice. Arctic Ocean. The ocean is totally covered with ice. Observe the globe and write down the names of 4 great oceans. Okay now, so you can observe the globe carefully and you can find out the 4 oceans names. Actually 5 oceans. How many oceans are there in the world? 5 oceans. You can find out in this globe. So what is the ocean's name? Already know that oceans. What are the 5 oceans? First one is the Pacific Ocean. Next one is the Indian Ocean. Indian Ocean, Southern Ocean, Arctic Ocean, and Atlantic Ocean. How many oceans are there? Pacific Ocean, Indian Ocean, Southern Ocean, Arctic Ocean, Atlantic Ocean. Okay now. So you can fill this in these blanks. Okay now. These 4 oceans names you can fill this in these blanks. Okay, now already in your test 4 blanks are there. You can fill these oceans names. Which of this is the largest ocean? Largest ocean, which ocean? Pacific Ocean. Okay now. Pacific Ocean is a largest ocean. Naturally, we cannot live on these oceans. Actually, we cannot live on these oceans. We live on land. Which place we live? Land. Naturally, we cannot live on these oceans. We live on land. You can see large sheets of land on the globe which are called continents. The large sheets of globe. Look here. Large sheets of land. You can observe carefully. Some continents also are there. Some continents also are there. So, the large sheets of land on the globe which are called continents. Continents means a large sheets of land. There are 7 continents are there. Present how many continents are there? There are 7 continents. You can find out in the globe. You can find out the globe 7 continents names. Okay now. Find out the names of the continents and write them down. You can find out the continents, 7 continents name. You can find out and write it in these blanks. Okay. What are the what are the 7 continents names? Asia, Africa, North America, South America, Europe, Antarctica, and 7th one is the Australia. How many continents are there? 7 continents. Asia, Africa, North America, South America, Europe, Antarctica, Australia. 7 continents. Not down in your textbook. Okay. one of these continent is actually covered with ice. Find out the name and location. Antarctic. Which ocean totally covered with ice? Antarctic Ocean. Okay now. Is it not an interesting fact that the North Pole and South Pole of the Earth are covered with ice? Is it not interesting fact that the North Pole and South Pole? Look at this globe. This is directions, tell me. North Pole and South Pole. These two poles are covered with ice. Antarctic in this area covered with, this pole is covered in this pole located the Arctic. In this pole located the Antarctic. So these two poles are covered with ice. Okay, now these two poles are covered with ice. This is a globe. Just like an example test only. This is a globe. So this is North Pole. This is South Pole. These two poles are covered with ice. And at the same time two oceans are located. Arctic Ocean and Antarctic Oceans. Okay now. These two poles are in this place totally covered with ice. Look here. Is it not an interesting fact that the North Pole and South Pole of the Earth are covered with ice? Two poles are covered with ice. The North Pole has a frozen ocean. Okay, now the North Pole has a, which ocean are there? Arctic Ocean. Which ocean located in this place? Arctic Ocean. The North Pole has a frozen ocean, Arctic Ocean, and the South Pole has a huge accumulation of ice on it. In the South Pole, a huge accumulation ice covered with. Okay now. So, pole has a huge accumulation of ice on it. This is called Antarctic shield of ice. So, in this area, one ocean also located. That ocean name Antarctic. Antarctic Ocean. Okay now. So, look for India on the globe. Name the continents in India which is location. So, observe the globe carefully. You can find out the 7 continents names. Next, our country name what? India. In India, located in which continent? Okay now. You can find out in the globe. See and observe the globe carefully. You can find out India located which continent? Asia. India located which continent? Asia. Our country located which continent? Asia. Okay now. And next one is you can find out in the globe some important countries names. Okay. You can find out some important countries names on the globe. Villages, towns and cities are located on the continents. Continents means countries. Countries are located villages, towns and cities. Are you understood? 7 continents are there. Continents means countries, villages, cities and towns. Okay. You will find hills and valleys, agriculture, mines, factories, etc. So, in countries means some areas located the agriculture, some areas located the valleys, some areas located the mountains, some areas located the minings, some areas located the factories. You can find out on the land in these continents. Okay now, in this continent you can find out the agriculture lands and also in the mining areas Next one is the hills, mountains, valleys. Okay, you can find out in these countries. Are you understood? How many oceans are there? There are 5 oceans. What are there? Pacific Ocean, Indian Ocean, Southern Ocean, Arctic Ocean and Atlantic Ocean. So which is the largest ocean? Pacific Ocean. Okay now. There are 5 oceans. Next one is the how many continents are there? 7 continents. Asia, Africa, North America, South America, Europe, Antarctica and Australia. India located which continent? Asia. Okay now. So in the globe 2 poles are there. North pole and South pole. These 2 poles are covered with ice. Okay now. So in the North pole located the Arctic Ocean and South pole located the Antarctic Ocean. Okay. So next one is the continent. Continents means countries. In these countries located the villages, towns, cities. Okay now. Next another one is the some areas is agriculture lands, some areas is located minings, some areas are landforms, I mean mountains, valleys. Okay, some areas are industries located. This is also you can find out the globe. Next, we will discuss about the directions on the globe. Okay. Are you noted this in your textbook? Next one, directions on the globe. What is the next topic? Directions on the globe. We have learned about the 4 directions in the earlier lesson. Already you know that earlier lesson. Okay, now how many directions are there? 4 directions. You can locate the north and the south pole. Okay now. This is north pole and south pole. If you face north, on your right is the east. In case if you are facing in the north, right is the east, left side is the west. Are you understood? This is a north pole. This is north. This is south. Right side is the east. West. The left side is the west. Okay. You can locate the north and the south pole. If you face north, on your right is the east. If you are facing the north, right is the east, left is the west. And your left is the west. The earth rotates every day from the west to east. Okay na? The earth always rotates west to east. Globe is a model of the earth. This is north, this is south. This is east, right side is the east, left side is the west. So the globe always rotate. Okay now, which west to which side to which side? West to east. Okay now. So west to east the globe located. So day and nights formed that. Okay now, the earth rotate one axis. So what is the causes? Day and nights formed that. Okay, day and nights formed. The earth rotated all times. So day and nights formed. How can direction which place to which place rotated? West to east. Okay now. The earth rotates every day from the west to east. Can you rotate the globe and see how this happens? So the earth is rotated west to east. So form the day and nights. You have observed the poles on the globe. You have observed the globe. The 2 poles you can observe. They are the 2 points on the opposite ends of the earth. You can observe 2 poles, north pole and south pole. Okay now. If you draw an imaginary lines connecting the two poles passing through interior of the earth, you can draw two poles. You can join the two poles. This is a imaginary line. Okay. What is this? This is a imaginary line. Our geographers imaginary line means ఊహాజనితమైన ఓకేనా ఊహించి డ్రా చేస్తుంది. Okay. This is a imaginary line. We can draw the one imaginary line north pole to south pole. Okay. This is the interior earth, in part of the interior part. If you draw an imaginary line connecting the two poles passing through the interior of the earth, it will from the axis or the line around which is the earth rotates. This is a north pole and south pole. This line is joining that. Next, one of the liners is there. The globe divided into the two parts. The one of the line passing middle. The globe middle of the line, one line pass that. This line is called. Anyone have idea? This line is called equator line. Okay now, 0 degrees equator line. Are you understood? This is a equator line, 0 degrees. So this line divided the globe two parts, north pole and south pole. Okay. So in this place, the earth rotates. Which directions? West to east directions. Okay now. To understand this better, put the 3 or 4 dots on the globe in different colors from the equator to the poles. Now rotate the globe and observe. Okay now. If you are understanding purpose, we will draw the lines, some small dots. Okay now. This is a axis line. This line is called axis line. I mean straight line. This is a equator line. This is a equator line, 0 degrees. This is equator line, 0 degrees. This is a axis. Axis is the line joining the north pole and south pole. Okay. You would notice that if you put a dot just on the pole, just this is a one dot. This is one dot. So you can observe these two dots and you can rotate the globe. You will notice that if you put a dot just on the pole, it will not move at all. Okay now, these poles are not moved. These poles are not moved. What happens to the dot placed on the equator? If you are observed the globe, you can rotate the globe. Okay, west to east you can rotate, but this pole is not moved. Okay now, are you understood? Directions on the globe. Already 4 directions are there. North, south, east, west. Okay now. If you are facing the north, in your right side is the east, left side is the west. Okay. So the earth rotates every day. The earth rotated. Which place to which place? What is the direction? West to east. Every day the earth rotated west to east. So day and nights formed. The earth rotated one axis. So day and nights formed. Next another one is the two poles are there. These two poles you can join the line. Okay now. This is a imaginary line. This line is a imaginary line. These two poles join the line. North pole and south pole to join the line. So this line is called axis. One of the axis is straight line. This line is called axis. Okay. Are you understood today class? In this class we have discussed about the continents, oceans, and next one is the directions on the globe. Okay now. How many oceans are there? 5 oceans. What are there? Pacific Ocean, Indian Ocean, Arctic Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Southern Ocean. How many continents are there? 7 continents. Asia, Africa, and Australia, Antarctica, Europe, North America, South America. Okay now. These are important points in this class. Okay, thank you so much.